Welcome to this video, where you'll learn how to use the MSI Claw and start your first game. Let's get right into it. First, connect the adapter to the Claw. An orange light will indicate that it is charging. When the battery is full, the light will turn white. Then, press the Start button on the left to turn the Claw on. Easy peasy. Next, we need to do two main updates, one for Windows and one through MSI Center M. Updates are super important because they boost the performance and make everything run smoother. Since we're running Windows on the Claw, we need to do the initial setup. You can use the joystick or the D-pad to control the cursor or selection. Select the region and keyboard layout. Move the mouse cursor and press the A button. It will ask you to connect to Wi-Fi. You can also enter the password via touchscreen. Next, double-click the input field to activate the virtual keyboard and sign in with your Microsoft account. Finally, set up your PIN code for faster and more secure access. Now, sit back and relax while Windows updates itself. Please note that there will be several reboots during the Windows updates process. This is normal, don't panic. Once we're done with the updates, it will bring us directly to the desktop. You can also go to Windows Update to check if there are any other features that haven't been updated yet. Now we'll check for the other updates to get the latest features and drivers from MSI Center M. You want to keep your Claw in tip-top shape, right? To get started, download the MSI Center M software first and agree to the privacy policy and service terms. The download will finish in no time. And now you can quickly launch MSI Center M. Just press the second button on your left. Select Settings, then Live Update to get the latest updates from MSI Center M. Hit Scan, select all available items, and hit the Download or Update button. Note that some of the drivers may require manual installation. Hit the MSI Center M button again to jump back to the desktop. Then the folder will pop up. Select a driver within and install by tapping it twice. If you see multiple drivers in the Live Update folder, you'll have to do the same for the remaining items as well. You should be prompted for a few restarts during the process. Hang in there, we're almost done. And here comes the fun part. Let's go to the MSI Center M again by pressing the second button on your left. Then we can see the game library. This is where you can find all your games and install new ones from different platforms. You can go to the game platforms and install the games you prefer. There are so many to choose from, you'll never get bored. Now, let's install some games. We'll use a game from Ubisoft, for example. From the game library, choose Ubisoft. If you don't already have the application installed, it will take you to Ubisoft's website. Click Download Ubisoft Connect PC to download and install. Once completed, it'll also prompt you to launch and log into your account. If the on-screen keyboard doesn't show up automatically, press the second button on the right to activate Quick Settings and select Keyboard. After that, install the preferred game. The first-time setup for a new platform may seem a bit complex, but any games you've installed will be picked up in the game library. In the future, All you have to do is launch MSI Center M, and your installed games will appear. That's it. You're ready to run the game with Claw. Have fun and enjoy the amazing experience.